Hey, what's up guys? This is Doug from Carson Optical, and today we're checking out the SG-10 SureGrip Magnifier. It features a 2-power 3.5-inch all-glass lens and a rubberized ergonomic handle that fits really nice in your hand. This particular model is part of our SureGrip series. These magnifiers are durable and very comfortable to hold. They also come with some really great optics. The SG-10 has a nice balance of size and weight, making it an all-purpose magnifier. To see super fine details, use the high-powered spot lens which is built right into the handle. The SG-10's glass lens helps to prevent scratches in optics and delivers a crystal clear, razor-sharp image. It also comes with a nice protective pouch. I really like how versatile and convenient the SG-10 is. It's a great tool to have and can come in handy when you least expect it. I'm Doug from Carson, and I'll see you next time.